Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious curry using golden curry. First, gather all your ingredients, including the golden curry roux, your choice of meat, and various vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions. Next, cut your meat and vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Then, in a large pot or Dutch oven, sauté your meat until lightly browned, followed by your vegetables until they begin to soften. This builds a flavorful base for your curry. Once your ingredients are sautéed, add enough water to the pot to just cover everything. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until your meat and vegetables are tender. Remember to occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to keep your curry clear and flavorful. Now for the magic ingredient. Turn off the heat completely before adding the golden curry roux blocks. Break them into smaller pieces and add them to the hot liquid. Stir continuously until the roux completely dissolves and the sauce begins to thicken. Once dissolved, turn the heat back on to a low setting and simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until your curry reaches your desired rich, thick consistency. Your homemade golden curry is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot over a bed of fluffy steamed rice, or even with noodles for a different twist. For an authentic touch, garnish your curry with some pickled ginger, known as gari or fukuginzuk. A sprinkle of fresh parsley also adds a nice pop of color. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.